Yo, crew. So we're out here. I don't know what it's gonna even sound like. Super windy day. Well, super windy morning before work session. We're on the cyclocross bike. It rained a little bit yesterday. I think they were predicting like half an inch. So basically we're just warming up down here. Woo, there was another gust of wind. We're gonna rip it. Show y'all what it's like. All right, let's get it. Woo.
Yo, what's going on, crew? Hope y'all enjoyed getting out there with me this week. It was awesome, as usual, getting out there. But enough of that. I'm going to go in and hit y'all with this week's quote and get out of here. Talent is only part of it. Hard work beats talent. Talent does not beat hard work. Let's get it.